In this video, we're going to run through some of the core functionality of MissionKontrol. If you missed the setup video, you might want to check that out. So here we've already connected to a database. It's for a marketplace, and straight out the box, having disconnected, it's got the schema and it can see all the tables in the database. You can do some server-side search, so if you want to look for fields that are available in that table, you can do that. You can also show hide columns, resort columns, reorganize columns, and just get everything set up the kind of way you want it. As well as viewing the data, you can also add records if that user has permissions to do so. When you add a record, it creates a new record on the table. We're also setting up webhooks in the future. Now we've added a record, what we're going to do is we're just going to jump in and create a layout. So from a table, you can create a layout, and that'll show all the information that you want to show from that table in a view. And then we'll also allow you to show related information. So in this case, we're looking at customers, and we're going to add in some related tables like transactions and who their account manager is. This is all out of the box functionality, so there's no special setup, it just pulls this straight off the schema. You can set at a field level which fields are editable, and then the users who have edit permission only will be able to come in and change those fields. And we're just going to drag in those related tables that we mentioned. So these are tables that are related on the schema. Here we can see this view that we've just created. So we can see this user, we can see all their related transactions, and then we can edit those fields that we just set as editable. So we're just going to update those fields we made editable. This will update it straight to the database. If you have any validations, we're adding webhooks later, and we also have service application side plugins that can help with that. We're just going to jump in, make this table commentable as it's a customers table. What that'll mean is you can add comments. These are stored on the MissionKontrol database, so it doesn't write anything to your database or change the schema there. It stores it locally. In the next video, we're going to look at our powerful task queues. If you want to find out more about MissionKontrol, you can head over to our website where you can get a free trial.